Addie, you want to see your present outside? You want to see it? Say yes. Okay, this way, Addie. Addie. Come here.
Honey, gotta put your fleece on. It's awful cold out there.
Addie Mo. Nick, where's Addie?
Mom, do I need my sweatshirt?
She's getting another present. There's one out there.
Come here, you gotta go outside. Look, Addie. No, put that back.
Okay,
Look,
go.
what's outside?
Look at.
What's out there?
Look at.
What is that? What is that?
Other side, honey. Other side.
Shove over, I'm driving. What
Other
is
side.
that?
I want it. I'm crawling. I'm climbing.
What is that?
On the other side.
Go on the other side with Lily.
Grammy, help me.
I know how
She's
to.
trying to put her foot on the wheel. Climbing.
She doesn't have to buckle up, and she doesn't.
Well, let's buckle her up just so you don't throw her out of the
She's
seat.
sitting on the floor. Where are you going?
She wants to sit on the floor.
What you doing down there, son?
She's
Sit
hunkered
up in
in.
the seat, huh?
Cuddling.
That's where the gas pedal is.
Put it in reverse. Back her up.
Careful, not when she's standing up.
There you go.
Hey, can you buckle her in?
I'm afraid she'll go right over
Fall down. Don't
Stay out here, Dar. Dar, you stay.
Pro hold on to that Jeep.
Two-handed driving, Lil.
She's cracking up. What are you doing?
Holding on to your life for you. She needs a seatbelt because she's such a wiggle worm.